Tropical cyclone Anne remains a Category 1, but is continuing to weaken as it moves west-northwest towards the Queensland coast. And the cyclone warning is in place for the Leichhardt River to Cooktown and cancelled watch zone Cape York to Leichhardt River. Welcome to the latest on the system via the Force 13. At 10 a.m. local time, Tropical Cyclone Anne sustained winds near the centre of 65 kilometres per hour, wind gusts to 95 kilometres per hour. And located within 35 kilometres of 14.5 degrees south, 149.2 degrees east, estimated to be 455 kilometres northeast of Cairns, 215 kilometres north-northwest of the River Cyclone, and moving west-northwest at 22 kilometres an hour. She has actually slowed by 2 kilometres. Tropical Cyclone Anne expected to continue its current motion, likely to cross the northeast tropical coast of Queensland on Wednesday, and has been weakening in the past 12 to 18 hours, likely to be reclassified as a tropical low in the next few hours. Well, before reaching the Queensland coast, however, there is still likely to be a small area gales on the southern flank of the system as it reaches the coast on Wednesday. Gales with gusts to about 100 kilometres an hour may develop about the coast, adjacent inland areas between the Leichhardt River, Cooktown, including Lizard Island on Wednesday morning. There is now little threat of gales extending north of the Leichhardt River to Cape York. People between the Leichhardt River, Cooktown, including Lizard Island, should take precautions and listen to the next advice to around 1400 hours. Now here's the Tropical Cyclone Warning Centre's current track chart on the system. Bureau Meteorology's total forecast of rain. This is across the 8-day period. The rainfall scale is the right hand side of the screen. And again, the tropical North Queensland coast is likely to get some heavy rain. Not sure about flooding at this point in time. The latest wind shear, 24-hour shear tendency. And the upper level divergence is very unhealthy for the cyclone, and looking at the 850 millibar vorticity, not as strong as what it was yesterday. Now we have a look at the tropical tidbits tracks. What information is available on that website. And the track shows it going across Cape York into the Gulf of Carpentaria. And could it redevelop when factoring in what the Gulf of Carpentaria waters are like. The latest NOAA floaters. The Joint Typhoon Warning Centre has it around 281 nautical miles east-northeast of Cairns, and maximum sustained winds 25 knots, gusting 35. That's the projected outlook. We know that the cyclone is weakening, and here's the centre's current track chart. Total precipitable water imagery, as well as the recent sounding from Willis Island, suggests the presence of dry mid-level air which is hindering development. And finally, in this update, a look at the GFS precipitation model for 13th Australia Oceania Channel. Will continue to bring the latest information on the outgoing tropical cyclone Anne.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force 13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.